Hello and welcome to another Penfriend tutorial. This time we're going to look at drag and drop lexicons, and this is a very powerful feature of Penfriend, and we get many users writing to us, phoning us, telling us how much they appreciate it. So it's an excellent one, and hopefully this will give you a good idea of how powerful it is. I'm going to use the Penfriend NA, North American version of Penfriend. Remember, it comes in a whole range of European languages as well. Let's just copy this to the clipboard.
Penfriend is available in European languages as well as Penfriend NA, North American.
And that's Catherine, again a quality voice, so if you get the NA version it comes with a very good quality American voice. And let's just change that voice, let's add voice there. Okay, I should have taken out the full stop so I can show you smart punctuation, but I'll do that shortly. Okay, so I'm not quite happy with the way the prediction box is. I want to make some changes to that. So I want to make the text larger. Just go into View and Preferences and OK. And I also want to hear the words as I hover over the prediction box. I want to hear those words being spoken back. So I'm going to choose Dwell and Hover and then say OK to that. Remember, Penfriend is so simple to use, very, very easy, user-friendly. OK, let's take out voice and we'll show you the smart punctuation working here as well. Take out that full stop, put the word voice in, and put my full stop in.
Voice.
Great stuff.
2.
And now you can hear Penfriend
As can
reading those words as I hover over the prediction window.
You. The.
So these are
Voice.
excellent features for learners who have specific difficulties such as dyslexia and other literacy difficulties. And finally, remember, the most important thing is to go to File, Save As. Let's save that lexicon with a new name, so I can have multiple lexicons with different word lists, different preferences. Let's call this my new lexicon and save that to the desktop. I'll just drag it into focus. Okay, that's it in now. Okay, so let's look at some of these other lexicons. I've got a default lexicon, so this is the default lexicon that comes with Penfriend. And you can see when I drag that into the prediction box, it changes automatically. So I've got different fonts.
O W O.
And you can see I've got a different voice, that's Heather, quality voice. So it also saves the voices. So maybe for a learner who has literacy difficulties, you can see I've got a plain yellow background, a sans serif font, Comic Sans, and the American default voice Anna. That comes with Windows 7. Now look at this, for someone who has a visual difficulty, look how powerful this is. So just by dragging and dropping that lexicon in, I now have a high contrast prediction window, and I can hear those words being spoken as I hover over them.
Oh. Today.
And also, if I was to highlight text, copy
today?
it to the clipboard, they would also be read back in high contrast as well.
Spelling. And.
Penfriend also comes in horizontal, so the prediction box has been shown here in the horizontal style. So you can position this above your text, below your text, wherever you want, wherever it's going to be most easier for you. And just pop it in. You can see the words are being predicted in a horizontal style. So now I'm going to look at how we can create or have a lexicon that has words that you need. So in this one I've got a sociology, and I just copied and pasted a word list into Penfriend's lexicon and saved that as a sociology lexicon. So now you can see when I type words for S, it brings up sociology, and it also brings up other words that are related to sociology as well. So there's a whole bunch of words in there that are related to functionalism, Marxism, all these types of exciting sociological theories. And of course, a fantastic feature of Penfriend is the European languages, and here we've got French. I don't have any French words. Let's type one in.
N-J. Bonjour.
And listen to that quality voice. How good is that? And you can see all these other words are being predicted. Monsieur, Maître, they're all there. Fantastic stuff. And it is also read back into the clipboard as well. And of course, for those users who have maybe mobility, motor difficulties, then Penfriend also has the on-screen keyboard, which is resizable. And we've got some great new features coming up for this as well, so stay tuned. And again, a quality feature of Penfriend is it remembers exactly where you've placed that keyboard. So when you save your lexicon, it stays in exactly the same place. No need to fiddle about with things. And finally, let's return to our lexicon that we made earlier on, our US lexicon. Let's just check that everything's okay. And then remember just to save that lexicon if you make any changes to it. Just as we did before, up to File, Save As, or Save Your Lexicon to the desktop or to a place where you can find it again. So fantastic stuff. Some great stuff with Penfriend going on there. Okay, thank you for watching and listening. See you later. Bye.